Did you know that VS Code supports these one-click install buttons where someone can easily install your MCP servers just by clicking on a button? Now, if you go check the config, you can see the server is all configured and set up. Now, it's not very simple to create these links. You need to create a JSON, then you need to URL encode it for it to show up, and then you need to also configure, how the button would look. So I created this simple app at vscodemcp.com. All you have to do is simply start configuring how your button should look. Here I'm going to give it a name, and that's the name that will show up in the badge. You can pick different styles. You can also pick different colors to match with your branding. And then you need to give the VS Code specific info. So for example, my MCP will show up like this. This is what will be displayed in the VS Code list. My MCP is an stdio, and you can pick, the type of command it is, or even provide a custom one. I'm just going to install it with npx. And this is the npm package for my MCP. And that's it. So you can see the config, and you can see that it's all URL encoded. I can even test it out here. So let me hit install, open VS Code, and user now gets the option to install. I hit install. Now, if I open the config, you can see it shows up, and all of the settings I provided are all here. So it's a super easy way to set this up. And I can now copy this. And let's say I head over to GitHub and say I want to show up the button here. I hit edit. I put my button in here, check the preview, and it's all good, all set. Now I also support another way to configure this. You already have your config and you want to start with that. You can easily do that. You have this paste from VS Code option where you can paste your complete JSON from VS Code directly. Now, if you say apply config, it sets it all up for you. You can customize the name if you want to make it look nicer. And that's it. If you want to learn more about the VS Code config format, you can click through to the docs, and you can see all of the different options that you can pass through for your MCP and how you can configure them. Cool. I hope you found this useful. Follow me for more on MCP and Microsoft security.